sir. Our topic is all about a nervous suspect with high heart rate falsely appears deceptive. A nervous suspect with a high heart rate might falsely appears deceptive to an examiner who really softly psychological responses for judgment. First is psychological responses are not foolproof. Increased heart rate, sweating, and other psychological changes are natural reactions, stress, anxiety, and even excitement. They are not always indicative and deception. Second is individual difference. People react to stress in different ways. Some individuals have natural high resting heart rates or are more prone to sweating.
Today, I'm Warren G. Legoso. The third is context matters. A high heart rate in a high-stakes situation, such as a police interrogation, is expected. It doesn't necessarily mean the person is lying.
Good day everyone, especially this sir, I am the third reporter. So, my topic, it's all about to avoid the misinterpretation. So, the next context are evaluate the situations and individuals' overall demeanor. Context was stressor. Mr. Carter felt unjustly accused as she had previously reported the school security's vulnerabilities. This combination of frustration and fear of professional ruin likely exacerbate her nervousness, creating a guilty suspect profile despite her innocence.
Good day everyone, especially to you sir. I am Gilbert de la Cruz Matalan. I am the last reporter. Use multiple methods. Don't rely solely on physiological measurements. Combine them with other investigative techniques. Examiners must rigorously account for a subject's mental health history and emotional state during pretest assessment.
Thank you everyone, and thank you for listening our report topic. That's all. Thank you.